So we have a little brother over here, Drew, and you can find his channel on Dinosaur Adventure. So go check out his channel and don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, so today we're going to be doing something gross. I don't know if it's going to be gross. I don't have like sour stuff. Like I don't have it, but today we're going, instead of that, I'm going to be using lemon juice. So I'm going to be using all this candy. Oh no, Doc! No. I'm using all this candy and all this candy. Oh, I have like a lot of bags on here.
Yummy! Kit Kat!
Besides that, all of this candy, like we have bags that have like stuff in it. Like these are all Skittle bags. We have these are Hershey bags. That's all, whatever it's called. And then more candy after that. So we'll finish on another piece. So we're going to be doing that. And yeah, so it is November and it's close to Christmas, and yeah, so
Yay!
if you don't know what to do with your candy, do this challenge. If you do have that sour stuff, do it with that. And we're going to be seeing what, how it's going to turn out. But some people do this with like gummies and stuff, and they put that stuff on it. I don't have big giant gummies, and I think that's pretty cool, but I don't have that, so yeah, so we're going to be doing just what we have, and so, well, this is all what we have. So yeah, so I have actually set it up for my Christmas. If here we have my nice $1 thingy, and then over here we have my Christmas tree. I don't know if you can see it, but I have Christmas tree right here. I'm like a Cleo tree right here because Cleo loves this tree, so whatever. We have this little tree right there, that nice like little posted thing right there.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas
tree. So just let me back up. There you go. So yeah, so I'm going to be doing a video on my grass got crooked. Okay, and so, yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. And Drew, what you just left me? Drew, come on. Okay, so let's get right on with this video. And I'm thinking we should start with some sour stuff. So, so I think I'm gonna like dump all this out.
one. I think this one should be sour.
sour.
This one is sour. If you guys tried this before, I think it tastes really sour.
Yeah, he doesn't like sour things, so I don't know how this challenge will work out for him. Like, he bought a whole bag of sour gummies from the machine and stuff, and he doesn't like it. And so I don't know how this trick is gonna go out for you with this thing that's gonna go for you.
Well, I can still do it.
I have thousands of bags over here, like thousands.
What is this? Pussies. Pussies?
Okay. You know what? This like kind of looks like a trick-or-treating bowl where like people like pick out your candy.
Yum, yum,
Okay.
yum, yum, yum.
Okay, so we can get any of these, and we would have to do it to eat it. So I'm thinking we're gonna pick out these blindfolded. I think I'm gonna put candy back in here. Okay, Drew, you want that? Sour it up. He is putting a Hershey's thing like right in front of his face and like, can you eat it? Can you eat it? Talk with words. Talk with words, Drew. Talk with words.
I want to eat it.
You can eat it after if you don't like pick that one.
Yeah.
Oh no! You cannot eat this. I don't want to eat that. That's mine. Mine, Drew.
What? I like dogs. You like cats. Dogs win.
I like both animals, Drew. I like all animals.
Yeah, but you
I like
most
mice.
like cats because
I like rats. I like squirrels. I like chickens. I like anything. Okay, anyway. Okay, Drew. I'm going to let you pick out of here first. You can dig down deep. You have to close your eyes. Drew. You have to close your eyes and pick one. Then I'm going to squirt it up for you, and I want you to eat it, and you have to guess what it is. I don't know if this will like, be so strong. I don't really know, but okay. Go ahead. Let's just watching. Pick one. You're crunching up all the food. Oh! Open your eyes, Drew. You got a Rice Krispie tree. Ah! He's getting a Rice Krispie treat. No fair, no fair, no fair. Okay, so I'm kind of, I don't know. Okay, he has to do it. I don't even want him to eat it because I don't want to eat it. I haven't had a Rice Krispie treat in so long.
Well, I never had a Rice Krispie treat so long. My bowl as well.
Go, girl, take your candy. Continue on.
Fine. Then I'll get this.
No, here, Drew, take a bite. Take a bite.
Is it a trick?
No, I'm not. Okay, no, I want it back. I want it back.
Fine, then I'll take it.
Give it up. It's like a candy war. Give up.
Fine. Oh, little daddy.
I'll take one bite and then you can have the rest. Okay. Go ahead.
Why did you eat all the candy?
Here, look. I'll even squirt some lemon juice in it.
Fine, then sprinkle some lemon juice right here so I can eat this.
Oh.
Let me have this. And let me put some lemon juice in. Let me put some lemon.
Stop.
Let me put some lemon juice.
It's really sour. But not that bad for me. Okay. Anyway, Joe, close your eyes and pick. No, it's my turn. No, it's your sword.
Wait. Everybody has to see this. Yummy.
What did you pick? You picked that?
M&M's.
Yep, M&M's.
Yummy.
Okay, you wanted to film that part.
Yummy.
Okay, I'm gonna get M&M's, so I'm gonna take M&M's. I'm gonna like open them up, kind of like tear them. Okay.
Yummy.
At least we have bags. Kind of actually happy that we have bags. Okay, so I'm gonna just put these on there, Drew. And I need you. Here's stolen. Okay, you can have that.
Yummy.
So we're gonna have
Yummy.
some lemon juice.
Do I have to try that? Seriously?
Nope. Okay, Drew. Oh! Okay, I'm kissing the first part, but it doesn't. So guys, lemon juice is making this wear off. Look. I don't know if you can see. I can't show you. Drew, what are you doing? I'm having eat it.
It doesn't taste that sour.
No, it doesn't. It's like brown.
Let me have another one.
Okay, now this might be gross.
Oh!
Ready, guys? Go!
Oh!
Come. I'm sticking my lips. Oh. Just like he just stands over there, you know. What's attending over here? Okay.
Stupid.
Like that over there.
You're stupid.
Okay.
Everybody's trolling with us.
Trolling with us. Where did you find that word, boy?
Now let's try this.
I gotta pick now.
Shut your eyes. No, wait. We have to show everybody.
Drew, give us that one. You do this. Hold it over the candy bowl. Look over it. Look over it. Sorry if like my hand's in the way. I'm trying to teach Drew how to hold a camera. It's so funny what you holding it.
Why are you?
Drew, you hold it like with one hand. See this? Sorry guys, you might be like facing at the candy bowl. Hold this like this.
Oh.
There we go. Oh, you might have actually been facing up at the ceiling. Up. Yeah. Here. Okay. There you go. Okay, ready guys? Closing my eyes. Oh, I got these. That's fine. I have to like keep doing this. Okay, we got these. I'm kind of like scared for these.
Okay, let's get some.
So
Should I sprinkle
I
some?
actually haven't had these in so long.
Can I please sprinkle some?
Sure.
Okay, are you ready?
Hmm.
I go throw cake. I go throw cupcake yum.
I don't think you know what troll is.
Yes, I do. Now,
What is it? I don't even know.
are you ready?
Is this like with one? Okay.
Sprinkle some more.
Don't waste it, bro. Oh.
I just threw cupcake yum.
Tell me in the comments if tell me what troll is.
That's what you get.
For what?
That's what you get.
For what?
For showing me how to use a camera.
I'm giving you a lesson.
Blah.
Okay, Drew. You go.
No, get the camera though.
I don't need to see every single thing.
Okay, fine.
Grrr.
3, 2, 1. I'm getting way down there.
Ah!
Cause my open my eyes.
Yep. What is this? Sweet Tart Chews. I think those are like kind of like Laffy Taffy.
I think I like those. Let's sprinkle some spray on it. Let's sprinkle some spray on it. This is what it looks like. It looks pink.
Was it a little too so I kind of bit off the end? I don't know. This is so better than the Rice Krispie.
Just opening this up.
Actually, wait, no, that's not better than Rice Krispie.
I'm having trouble opening this.
I'm
I'm
finish this.
Okay, I'll taste it. I'm gonna eat it all.
Okay, so
Ah!
it was like kind of like Laffy Taffy. So good. Okay, so
Sprinkle some juice on there.
hold up. I need to get this open first. How do you get this open? There we go.
So hard.
Okay, so I actually want to take a little piece of this because I don't know what it tastes like. It's stuck to me.
Hey, you're supposed to spray some
I know.
first. No, I'll do it.
Mmm.
You did that 2 times of me.
Okay, let me like make like a little dish.
For me to eat. Okay, let me try it. Can I try it?
How would you get that? Okay, take a bite. Careful. There you go. On the camera. Go in front of the camera. Damn. Are you gonna do it?
Doesn't taste that bad.
No? Like right there. Like I'm kind of like doing ice cream, or whatever it's called. ASMR. If I said that right, give this video a like. If I said that wrong, comment down below. Because I haven't gone like forever. I'm not picking that again because I know what that is. Oh, I'm on M's again. I'm picking again. I don't think that we should have 2 in a row. What's this? Thanks. What? Oh, it's 3.
How about nerds?
Nerds, I already got my candy. I already got my candy.
Can I try it? I'm supposed to be the main event.
Ah!
I'm supposed to be the main event. I'm supposed to be the main event.
Wait!
What?
I'm going now.
No,
I'm sure. You just went. Do
I'm
it.
the main event.
Oh, I want.
What does it taste like? Sour? Let me try.
No, open your mouth. Open your mouth. Wasn't that bad. What's this? Oh, look, look.
I think I'm immune to, I think I am used to sour things.
Oh.
I think I'm used to sour things.
Oh, there's a trash can back here, guys. There's like a trash can right there.
Okay.
I just put it in the trash can. That was
Hey,
disgusting. Ew.
Yeah. Have some nudes now.
Wait,
Have some nudes.
Okay, well, we're doing 2 more rounds, Drew.
Okay.
So, yeah, we're doing 2 more rounds, guys. And so, Drew's going to pick one, so then I'm going to go.
I already picked one. No.
Oh, okay. Come on, eat it. Eat it, eat it, eat it.
Yeah, but
eat
we
it.
have to get and open it and put some little sauce on it.
Okay.
Sauce on it.
I'm not dancing over there.
Okay, thank you.
No, when you mouth, Drew. When you mouth.
No, I'll do it. I'll do it.
Drew, what the heck are you doing? That's not the policy of nerds. Do this.
Okay.
We're gonna shove these nerds in my face. There you go. I got the whole thing there. Got some? Now chew, chew.
That's not sour.
Open your mouth. I'm gonna spread this in a little bit. I'm gonna make a drop. It's dropping. Drew, open your mouth. Here, I'll even do it. I got my knees.
Fine.
Did you just put your whole mouth on it? Did you? At least you didn't do that. What? Drew, did you actually put your whole mouth on that? Yes? Drew, did you?
I'm sorry.
That's disgusting. Like, did you like put it like on here?
Yeah, but it stinked my thing.
Your lips?
It stinked my lips.
Well, it doesn't. Then you have to.
And I admit it. And I admit it. It is sour. And
Yeah,
now
it
I'm
is.
not too sour.
Okay, guys. Well, I have one last one, and I'm picking this one.
Extra sour.
Ah!
Extra sour.
Oh!
Yeah, but you have to do it with this. You have to do it with this. Here we go, guys. Time to cake. 1, 2.
I don't know how to do it.
Yeah.
Not even wet. Not even wet. Not doing yet. Lemon, get away from me, Lemon. No, Drew. Fine, I'll do lemon. So sour.
Your tag.
Oh! It's a little bust. Not even sour.
Let me try again. This is not even sour. I can't believe
Oh my goodness.
I can't believe I just said ugh.
Okay, so guys, we left the M&Ms. I like made this like kind of like weird like juice thingy from the sourness. And I just looked at it. Like, can you focus? Can the camera focus? And look, guys, it's melted away. There's chocolate. That's chocolate. It's crazy. I don't know if you can see what that's. With an M. Oh, wow. Not even that bad stuff. Well, I just wanted to show you guys that was pretty cool. What is this? Is this what I see? Dirt! Okay, well, that was the end of this video. I really hope you guys liked it. Yes, you're liking those, aren't you?
They're not sour.
Well, thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope you liked it. And don't forget to like and subscribe down below so you don't miss any fun videos. And don't forget to subscribe to Dinosaur Adventure